Hey there, my name is Katie and this is the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. Thanks so much for joining me. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other videos. Today I wanted to show you this recipe that I've been making for myself. It's really simple. I just kind of saute up some fajita-style vegetables and serve them over rice. It is so delicious. I season it pretty lightly, but I wanted to show it to you in case you too are working on weight loss or just trying to get healthier and eating more vegetables, which is definitely something that I have been working on myself. If you've either been listening to the podcast or watching my YouTube videos, you'll know that I have been using plant-based eating as a way of getting healthier. I've lost about 45 pounds eating this way, as well as I'm still able to lose weight and getting into a much healthier weight range. Honestly, I'm only about halfway to where I need to be in a healthy weight range, and so I have decided I'm just cutting out a whole bunch of stuff again and getting back to the basics of lots of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, and lots of starches, because those starches keep me sustained and help me to feel full, and they just help me to lose weight so fast. It's amazing. On top of that, it's a really sustainable way to eat, and so I feel really peaceful and good about eating this way. Enough chit chat though, let's get cooking. I don't cook in oil anymore, and so I have just got some water sauteing going on. I'm gonna let these become translucent and then I'll add in some of the other ingredients. Okay, this is about half or 3/4 of a red bell pepper sliced. I'm gonna add that to my half of a small yellow onion. I just keep a little bit of water on the side when I'm water sauteing. That way I can just add in a little if the pan goes dry. But I want to avoid soggy vegetables. That is never good when it comes to water sauteing, so I just add in just a little bit. I try to not add in a lot. Next I have a small cubed, well, it's like a fake lazy julienned zucchini. That's basically what that is. You know that last sad carrot in the bag? Yep, that one's going in too. Also lazy julienned. Because zucchini is not my favorite, I want it to cook as long as possible. See if I can get it a little hardened. And I want the carrot cooked nice and tenderly. I am going to let this just cook for quite a while. These vegetables are looking good. I'm going to throw in some broccoli. I'm going to saute that until it is that nice vibrant green, and then I'm going to serve it over some rice. I would say the vegetables are all cooked to my liking. Of course, you can cook them to your liking. Also, add in the vegetables that you want to. I'm going to season this a little bit, and I'm actually going to turn off the heat so they don't cook anymore. And then I'm going to plate it up and show you what it looks like. First off, I have this Trader Joe's garlic salt grinder. It is so good. I'm also going to use this chili lime seasoning blend. You could just use chili powder and sprinkle with a little bit of lime juice and it would be great. I just have some rice cooked up in my Instant Pot. I'm going to put that on the side because I like to measure my plates as 50% starch and 50% vegetables. It just has been really helping with my weight loss and making sure that I get enough vegetables in. Next I have some cilantro, and I've really been enjoying Cholula Hot Sauce, so I'm going to sprinkle this on top. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check back often for more videos, and remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff.